Good morning. I just wanted to give you guys a little tutorial on how to use IXL. You should have received your usernames and passwords through email yesterday. So if you go to the link that I shared with you, you'll already have this set up where it's at Watson Duncan MS. So all you have to do to sign in, I'm going to use a student sign in just so you get an idea of what it looks like. So you just put it's your first initial and then last name, and then they use the password that they gave you. They made up the passwords. I did not, so they're a little bit crazy. When you log in, your screen is going to look like this. The main area where you are going to go to do the assignments or work on the skills that I want you to work on each week is right here, where it says 7 skills suggested by your teacher. That number is going to change depending on what I suggest. So you see here, there are circle things from last week. If you want extra practice on the circle stuff, you can go in there. And then there are, I guess there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different things with regards to angles. You do not need to do all of them. You'll see that 2 of them are 6th grade skills, so those ones are going to be a little bit easier. And then 2 of them are 8th grade skills. Those ones are going to be a little bit more difficult and on your grade level. So just for the heck of it, let's go in here where it says name angles. And this is what the problems are going to look like. All right. It says name this angle. So there are a few different ways that we could name it. I'm going to put angle S and then submit. Before I do that, though, I just want to show you right up here. If you're not sure how to do it, on the very first question, before you've answered anything else, it will give you this option, this learn with an example. You click on it, and it gives you an example here that you can work through. So it says to name it, use the vertex and 1 point on each ray. You can also name the angle using just the vertex. So it shows you the different ways. It gives you an example of how to do the problem. If you're not feeling ready yet, you can go back and look at a different skill. It gives you different skills down there. Let's just go ahead and submit. Yay, we got it right. Over here, you'll see the questions answered and your SMART score out of 100. As the problems get more challenging, as your SMART score gets higher, the problems are going to become more challenging. My goal for you is to always get up to a SMART score of at least an 80. And then if you feel confident and you're burnt out on it, you want to go on to the next skill, you're more than welcome to do that. But I would love for you to be able to get up to a SMART score of 80. Once you master that, so here, let's go back here to recommendations. There's going to be those skills recommended by your teacher. If you've mastered it, it'll show you a little medal by whatever skill you did. The diagnostic arena, this is another place where you can go if you want to do additional step into the arena. This is a great, just practicing different skills. It throws different problems at you depending on what you need to work on. So this sort of personalizes problems for you. Then you can go into your analytics. You can see exactly what you've been doing, how you've been doing, what you maybe need to work on. I get a preview of this screen as well, so I can see what you've done. So good job, Gannon. You've already answered one question correctly. Again, go into learning, go into the recommended skills, and this is where you will start doing your IXL work. Good luck, guys.